Welcome back. The big short covering bounce in real estate seems to be over now. So DLF, HDIL have all dipped into the red. Along with that, even the markets, as we've been pointing out, the Nifty and the Sensex have now slipped into the red, the Nifty below 7,900. But let's talk about what's happening in the commodity space. Naveen Mathur of Angel Commodities joins in now. Hi Naveen, walk us through your recommendations and your near-term outlook on precious metals.
Thank you very much, Reema, and good morning to you too. I think the kind of losses which we have seen yesterday was predominantly because of the action taken by the Chinese monetary policy easing of the interest rate cut and the reserve requirement for the banks. Overall, we are still seeing a kind of a bearish trend over the market for a simple reason. The fundamentals are not still sounding too great for gold over a long term. But in short term, the uncertainty with respect to China and the Fed interest rate hike is kind of question marks which are taking gold both on the positive and the negative side. International markets, the prices are today trading at around $11.30, $11.38, $40 levels, and in Indian markets we are seeing prices hovering around 26,700 on the MCX. We would still recommend technical on the buying positions to go in for the intraday, and the buying on the MCX for the October month can be initiated at around 26,530. Stop loss recommended for this trade would be at around 26,380, and targets on the upside can be seen in a range of around 26,600 to 750, 700 rupee level. The uncertainties may continue to play kind of a safe haven demand, although the markets may remain little volatile.
Okay, Naveen, morning. What's your strategy on crude?
Anuj, crude is definitely a sell, oversupply positions, although we are seeing a kind of a 1% gain today in the markets. Yesterday and today also we saw the markets moving slightly up because of, as I said, the interest rate move by the Chinese monetary policy. I think overall still remains bearish, and intraday also we will go short on crude, and the crude positions on the MCX can be initiated at around 2680 levels on the MCX with the stop loss of around 2760, and targets on the downside can be seen in a range of around 2600 to 2580. It's predominantly the oversupply situation which continues to play a critical role for the markets to remain bearish on crude oil.
Okay, Naveen, we'll leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining in. With that, it's a wrap on this show. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned. Halftime Report comes up next.